like, comment, and subscribe. Please turn on your post notifications because I need more subscribers. Is this supposed to be pink? I don't know. What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Miyah.Shabrae back again with another freaking video. And today, as you can see by the title, I will be trying TikTok's viral nature cereal, and I haven't eaten all day, so I'm ready to get into it. So I have my coconut water. As you saw in the last clip, it was pink, but I found the regular kind. Pomegranate seeds, strawberry, and I don't really personally eat raspberries, blueberries, or blackberries, but I just bought this for this video, and they had it in like this cute little package. Water right here to wash my fruits off. So I didn't bring a knife to cut my strawberries. That's okay. I'm so excited. All right, but open up.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say.
How do you open it? Oh, I lost some blueberries. These look disgusting. By the way, it is what it is. So, first, I'm going to start off by putting raspberries in my bowl. I hope this is good. This is not good because I don't know if it's just me, but like berries, aren't they like supposed to be sweet? And most of them are sour. So I brought some stevia with me to sweeten it up if it's not sweet, because I've tasted coconut water before and I don't believe I liked it. But maybe I will this time because I've actually changed my diet. I'm dairy free and meat free now. So this cereal might bust. I got my ice cubes too, forgot to show y'all. I'm excited for this. Okay, hold on. I didn't bring any knives for the strawberries, so do not judge me.
Little nasty.
Oh, they're pretty sweet. This is disgusting. I'm so sorry. I think I have enough of everything. I hope so. Okay, pomegranates. I don't eat pomegranates. Do y'all? So is there a certain way you eat these? I thought you weren't supposed to eat the middle. Can you eat the middle? Am I supposed to eat what's in the middle of these? I'm just put a little here for garnish. Alright, bro. Now we're going to pour this coconut water. I'm nervous for this because I don't think I like this. Okay, so you guys a little. Ooh, it looks refreshing. Okay. Y'all ready? Get that ice in there, get it nice and cool. All right. First bite, shorty. So let's make sure we get everything on this spoon. Oh, guys, I think I caught a few bugs from outside. They want to come too.
Huh?
Hold on, let's make sure y'all see the bite. That truck interrupted my bite. Let me do it again. I think I'm gonna put stevia in it. I was probably gonna do that anyway. Something in here is nasty. I'm not sure what it is, but it's not bad. I don't understand, why aren't berries sweet? They're damn near sour. And mind you guys, I just went to the store and I bought this fruit, and it's coconut water, so everything isn't all the way cold, even though I did have it in the refrigerator. So maybe that's it, or maybe I poured too much coconut milk, water, whatever. I'm just pouring it out. Yeah. Now let's see. Nah, the coconut water is disgusting. I don't think I like it. Damn, I can't get the stevia open. Okay, so is there any other kind of water that I can eat it with? Like, what's a sweet fruit? Banana water. Why did I just think of that? So we're gonna put some stevia in it, okay? And we're gonna see what the stevia tastes like. Let's see your stevia. I did a spoonful, and this is how big the spoons are. Get you some stevia. Bussin'. I'm not really a sour kind of person. I really like sweet stuff. I don't eat a lot of candy though. I just have to have that sweet flavor. I prefer sweet and spicy, not sweet and sour, not sour. I don't like anything sour, and most of the time berries are sour. The coconut water is a lot to handle at first. I'm with it though, no cap. Yeah.
Thank God, this shit good.
The raspberries and the strawberries going off with the stevia. Let me test the blueberries. It's the coconut water for me. I don't like it. Damn, I should have bought the small one. I'm not gonna drink that. If any of y'all want some coconut water, let me know.
It was at this moment.
It's such an uncomfortable situation. Like,
It was good. It's just, it's the milk for me, man. Okay, so let me taste this by itself. Let's see. Ew. No. That's nasty. Alright, well, we're gonna eat the rest of these fruits, since I did pay for them. But honestly, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I expected more from that. I think I need to redo it, make sure everything is really cold, especially the coconut water, because I've tried it before and I didn't think I liked it. It's the taste. I want to taste it again so I can give you guys an example of what it tastes like. It's just, all right, let's try one more time. Let's try one more time. Can't trust people like me. let's try one more time. It tastes like it wants to be something, and then it fall off. Coconut water is like I don't even know. Let's say you got your playlist on shuffle. It's on random. And coconut water is that song that it land on, but you always skip it. But this one time, you like, man, let me listen to it. It might hit, and it don't. You just wasted your time. I just wasted my time buying that coconut water. Yuck. We're gonna put a little coconut water, because the coconut water is what's giving the fruit the taste. Damn, ice cubes. Fuck. Oh. Got one. Okay, then we're just gonna go. We're gonna go here with the coconut water. This is what you gotta do. Ah! See? That's enough. And we're gonna go with some regular water. Okay? Where's the stevia? Half a spoonful of stevia. So look, I done came up with my own recipe. And yeah, dude. That's about it for me. Rated on the scale from 1 to 10. It was, honestly, I'm gonna say it's a, hold on, let me try this. It hit a cool 6.5 for me, personally. It definitely will not replace real cereal for me. It's straight. I wouldn't go crazy over it though. Alright, y'all, so that was it for this. It was pretty good. I'm not gonna cap. I really did expect a lot more from it, but I just like fruit, so if you like fruit, get it. Please be wary of the coconut water. She's nasty, but other than that, to me, she's nasty to me personally. But other than that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please turn on your post notifications because I need more subscribers. You know what I mean? This was really fun. I think I like trying stuff on camera. So, if y'all have any suggestions on anything else you would like me to try, talk about, or do, please comment, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss when I post, and I will be back. Also, follow me on all my socials, especially TikTok. TikTok is where I will be posting a lot of my singing videos, things that I'm working on in the studio. And then follow me on Instagram for cute little pics. That's it. Embracers, we are going up all 2021. I love you. Peace.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say.